Bam!
She's gonna really do it.
Then a boxman at ease, you know?
We could really do it. These hands. He's gonna catch these hands. You already know.
Hey Jimmy, let's take him over here by the yard.
I gotta put the camera a distant away, while it might smack it.
Also, you got a little test. You got a little test. You got to pass before you can get on. So there's rules to help passing.
They don't wanna be on it.
They don't want to see you winning.
They don't wanna see you winning. What a bad man kid! Mike, did you get in trouble?
Probably from my teeth, dude.
Liam got in trouble.
What else is new?
Kenny got in trouble. Sheriff was in town.
Sheriff's alert.
They don't want to see. Oh, this is a video. I thought that you were watching it. Yeah.
About to chop this up. Music in the back. But no, you're too dark, bro.
Santa Monica
Oh, too dark, so I ain't never.
Hey, what's up, guys? So, it's a little bit noisy because of the waves that's like legit right in front of me, and the kids that are around me. But I just want to fill you guys in with what's been happening to me, what I've been doing the past 30 days. And that's me. I switched my diet, so no more red meat for me. That means no cow, no chicken, no red meat. Period. It's strictly I'm going chicken, strictly chicken and salmon, and it's just I'm trying to lose this belly that I have, and it's been working. I've been getting in shape. I've been going on morning hikes. You know, I had to get the palm trees in the back for this one.